Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Grounded 2 game crashing or not opening, not launching, keep stopping, lagging, freezing, stuck on loading screen, black screen, or several other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5 first. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that are leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button, then select restart PS5. Once your PS5 restarts, launch the game and check. Next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold on power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable. Select rebuild database. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, first go to settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup, network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next solution is to enable or disable HDCP. For that, go to settings menu from PS5 home screen. Now choose system. Then select HDMI from the sidebar. Here toggle enable HDCP to on or off. And then check if it's working. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings. Click on users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Grounded to game. Click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to change language or console. For that, open PS5 settings, go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar. Select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings first, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. Next is to change the DNS settings on PS5. For that, open settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup internet connection. Here select your network and press the options button, then select advanced settings and change DNS settings to manual. Now here you have to change the primary and secondary DNS. After that, choose OK to save. It is recommended to go to network, click on connection status, test internet connection to ensure it is working properly. Next is to check for game updates. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check for update option. Next solution is to check storage space on console. For that, go to settings on your PS5 and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Next method is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on our PS5, then choose system. Now go to system software. Select system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software if any update is available. Finally, choose update using internet option. Next method is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last, choose restore option. Next solution is to reinstall Grounded 2 game. For that, highlight Grounded 2 on your PS5 and press options on a controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Grounded 2 again to check for the error. Next method is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. Explain the issue you are coming across to the support team and they will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.